Welcome! Today I'll show you how to connect Xiaomi AirDots 2 with your CUBOT X20. First of all, need to open case and turn on your AirDots. So press and hold like this, and then wait until indicator are blinking white color like this one. So this pairing mode on our AirDots. So next step, go into Bluetooth settings or in our CUBOT, and then click to pair new device. Click it, wait a few seconds, click into Redmi AirDots 2, wait until pairing, and now we connect our Redmi AirDots 2 with CUBOT X20. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.